That 240 looks like mine, but
it's actually not my 240. So we are at Luke's garage and I have a really special video today. We're gonna be working on a 2020 Supra. One of my buddies dropped his car off and he wanted air suspension installed on this, as well as we also purchased the Street Hunter kit, and we'll be doing that I think sometime Monday when the kit arrives. It got delayed due to some shipping, you know, COVID issue, whatever, and all that thing that's been going on. Really stoked to work on this car. My bad. The kit. Yeah, it's a pretty big kit, so we just have to see how, you know, it turns out. As you guys can see, he works on all type of drift cars. If you guys need your front end done, he does all custom fabs. You know, it's the legendary 2JZ. I'm gonna just walk around the shop a little bit. That's his bike, and that is his 240 right there. Unfortunately, mine does not look like that yet. And that's also a right-hand drive SR. It's pretty clean. There's the MR2 right here. Let's bring back memories. There's another 240 customer's car, another 240. This thing is clean. Yeah, and then there's an IS right here, and that's my Prius. We're not looking at that, but hello, Luke.
What up?
How's it going? Are you excited to cut this car up?
Oh yeah.
I am so stoked, dude.
I am ready to cut this car.
Interior wise, comes with carbon fiber. This thing is pretty awesome, and you know, has paddle shifter. We're definitely into the raffle.
Like we're in this raffle.
I know, right? I can't wait. Any thoughts, or are you excited, or?
Yeah, I'm stoked. I'd just say maybe take one last look at it before, you know, it loses some body material.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut a lot of pieces. Nervous cutting the panel, just nervous on a new car. You know, it's like brand new 2020, and the kit's gonna be so wide, dude. I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. Saw this airlift right here. I also bought some wood for the trunk setup. We have not told my buddy that we're gonna be doing like a wood setup. It's pretty clean. It's super easy in this car. So I'm just gonna open this up right here. I think this came off. So pretty much what we're gonna do is just gonna put wood right here with the tank on that side and tuck all the wires, drill some holes, and then go on from there. Really clean. I might have to get one of this. And we're just gonna unbox the airbags right now to see how the suspension looks like for this car. You have great neighbors, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Making all that.
They're going crazy right now.
They're going super crazy. What?
Yeah.
So that would be pretty easy.
Yeah.
We don't have to drill any holes in the trunk or anything like that.
See, that was what was even better too. Is talking about the wood.
Yeah.
Is we can mount this straight to that and then not have to do anything weird in here.
Right.
But I think this will be. This is a good size. Yeah. If they'd gotten a longer one, it would have been too close to the edges.
I think it's
all
like
the fittings
perfect.
go on the ends. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, on the wood, we can do a quick inventory of parts here. It's cool. They even give you.
It's really simple. I'm sure the only hard part is finding the ignition switch, tapping into one of the fuses.
Yeah. Oh, that won't be a problem.
Yeah, I have in mind to like one of those things.
With the power probe,
Yep.
you can find that real quick.
Oh shit!
Slippery bastard! All right.
That's really slippery, you know. The compressors. Oh Jesus!
Another box.
Oh,
Look at that thing though.
that's clean.
This thing is going to be nice.
Yeah, I cannot wait.
Just steady it here and
Yeah, it's those are really pain in the ass to take out.
work that thing out.
Jesus Christ! I think you should just toss that.
Honestly. Yeah, a little more. A little more. Okay. There we go.
supra this in.
Alright, I'll pull this bolt. Just keep it up right for a second.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. And that can come all the way out.
It's really hard.
The other side came out a little easier than this.
What in the mother of a Tarkon and ski device this?
Back is the big one.
Oh my god!
Hey!
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Boom, there it is.
Oh, that was a tough one. I hope the back ones are not like this, dude.
Yeah, honestly.
We're gonna be crying.
So you want to just tell us what happened?
So basically, what's gonna hold this airbag in is this guy. So you drop this in the seat there on the spring perch, and then this goes up from under it. If I can find it, there we go. Kind of right there. And then you just screw that in there, and that'll keep that secured to the LCA. So you get no play, no sounds, nothing like that. And that just goes up in there. We'll raise it up and tighten everything down.
Literally walked away for 5 seconds and he almost dies.
My hoodie strings decided to get caught up in this Harbor Freight machine, man. And I thought somebody just grabbed my fucking neck. I'm like, ha! That shit was crazy. I was like, ha! I had a pretty good clean cut, you know, but now it's...
Well, is there a reverse? Is it?
Yeah, just back it up.
Oh, it's smoking!
Yeah. Yeah, it's getting a little sketchy in here.
Bro, we're done.
Cut.
Hi, Luke.
We in this bitch. Okay, so after cutting and fixing the wood floor to the OEM floor pan, you gotta put it in here, rotate it a little bit, drop it in. Can't do it with the tank on. So we did that, and then drop the tank in. But to bolt the tank to the floor, you gotta lift about this much, and do it from where I am.
That angle, and I had to help him from here because if you can't lift it too high, the tank gets right there and right there.
Luke added some plugs right there, so you can just unbolt it or unplug it from here, and then your compressor will come out. It was not just like you gotta cut the wires and all that. So
Quick disconnects, make it a little easier for you.
Y'all need your wiring done. You already know where to come.
We got wires.
We got wires.
give you an update on the bags. Bags are all the way in. We ran the lines all the way tucked in. Had to remove
About 60 volts underneath the...
We got it done. So hopefully there's no leaks, because I'm not trying to take this apart. We're probably like good 20 hours in this. Yeah, and this car is a pain in the ass to jack it up. So we're having issues with the double compressor. You can adjust that from the controller because it does not turn up. I have heard a lot of people have this issue with the double compressor.
He's gonna mount everything up and
hopefully it turns out good. Almost. Finally got it done. So, time to see if it works. I'm praying no line leaks. Should start right now.
Very nice. Success.
Customer purchased the Street Hunter kit and it arrived yesterday.
we did an unboxing for it. And we start prepping the car by taking all the panels off. And you guys can see this side, we have taped everything up. I'm gonna just walk around the car. All this is taped up. All this will be cut from here to here. It's located over here. So you have to be very careful cutting this panel, as well as drilling the holes for the wide body. We have got started. This piece is on, and we're doing the skirt. And mock up that part. Hopefully we get this side finished up today. I think we'll get this side finished up today. He's not happy.
That's how it get done.
Yeah.
At least.
That's like the least.
Hoping to get started on the other side today.
Right.
But
Well,
Do that one more time, please.
OnlyFans, link in bio. Like and subscribe.
Shit.
Oh shit!
It's the Undertaker.
Yo, I got 6 new fish. Let's go.
6 new what?
Fish.
What?
Pet fish, not fucking
Fishies.
not
shit,
eating.
bro, you better bring those fishy. Luke, your cat and his cat about to eat all those.
Dude, my cats be up in there and they're like,
What the no? Don't do the fishies dirty blitz.
whenever we feed the fish on the
Right hand drive? Oh.
no, there's a
Well, I want to give you guys an update how far we are in the kit. We're almost done, just a little bit left.
We got this fender on. I ignore these guys. They're too loud. Just walk around. We just gotta mock this up a little bit in the rear fender. We have cut right here. And this side is on completely. Those are the wheels. I can't show you that yet. So stay tuned. Kit will be dropped off to get it painted, and once everything back in like 2 days or so, we will have a better update. Almost done. Oh, the Supra is cut in half. It's really cut. It's bad. We fucked up. Okay, we didn't fuck up, but we cut it nice and open.
Here's a good bend.
Oh. Oh.
After they get cut a little more.
Oh.
It'll look something like this.
Oh yeah.
And we'll get the welder out and secure these up, cut them off, seam seal them, make it pretty. Maybe.
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 Or like in metal shavings.
Everywhere.
I need a bath.
It's in my nose.
Yeah,
It's in my beard.
In our beard, for sure. It's in my hair. We're almost done. Kit's being painted right now, and oh,
we installed the carbon mirrors, and let me show you guys the carbon lip that's here. That's the last part we will be installing. This thing is nice. Yeah, they're pretty clean specs. Oh, the right hand drive. Oh.
Alright, so here's the car now with the painted overs on, side piece, the side skirt on this side, and the rear over fender. The other side is not quite done yet. It still needs a little adjustment, maybe a little trimming, and then we still have to do the wing. It fits really well. Everything lines up for the most part without any adjustment. Still need to get these front pieces on and these sensors mounted to them. Everything's lined up real nice, looking real nice. Paint's looking great. Shout out to Street Garage
You already know.
with the paint. Still got to do the front lip, still got to mount the wing. That'll be next. Look at those lines. To say about this car?
Pain in my ass.
Kit's on, wings on, lips on, everything's on. It's on the ground. White tires are on. The only white part of this car at this point.
taking all those panels off.
Yeah.
That was not fun.
Fuck the
and
panels, trunk
whoever's
setup,
trying to take that trunk off, they're gonna have a lot of fun because you got to remove every single piece one by one to take that trunk off. And hopefully we'll catch you in the next vlog. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe down below.